Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tamal once again. Today, I'm going to give you a demo on conditional formatting. Welcome to PRCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in. Suppose I have selected this cell. Now, depending upon the value, the color of the content of this particular cell will change. Like if I type a particular number called means, suppose I have picked up a range like from 0 to 30 it will become in red, 31 to 50 green, and 51 to 100, rest of 100 will be in blue. So now for the time being, if I type 11 or if I type 11, then see nothing is coming. It's coming in ordinary black. Or if I type 45, nothing else. If I type 67, nothing. But let me make the conditional formatting. I'm showing you a particular cell, a particular range here, and later on after this session, in the next session, I will show you the multiple conditional formatting. So let's start. I selected this particular cell. Okay, now I clicked on conditional formatting, manage rules, and then new rule. So this comes. Now you will click on formula only cell that contain. See, there is a particular cell value in between and the range of the marks. Suppose my marks is within 1 to 30. So the color will be within bold italic, and the color will be red. Okay, bold italic and red. Now I clicked on OK and clicked on here OK. Also here. Now 1 to 30. Anything in between 1 to 30, 23. See, it's coming in red. 21 red, 11 red, 0 not, up to 30, 34 not. So this is known as conditional formatting. The formatting is done in such a way that it color comes color. And so this is all about the session. My name is Samaldas, representing PRCCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in, and call is 8420879158. WhatsApp is same as that, and email is asama6@gmail.com. If you have any query, or if you have some suggestion to make it more customized, then definitely give me a call or email me at that particular number. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking video. Be with us for more updates, and thank you for being with us. Thank you.